For the last 20 years, we were told that learning to code or mastering Excel was the ticket to security. We built our identities on our hard skills, our ability to process information and execute technical tasks. And then, almost overnight, a machine arrived that can do all of that faster, cheaper, and often better than we can.
It's natural to feel a sense of loss, to feel devalued. If AI takes the technical work, what is left? The answer is simple but profound. What is left is the human. As technical proficiency becomes abundant, human connection and insight become scarce. And in economics, scarcity creates value.
Here are the 3 skills AI cannot replace. Skill number 1, contextual judgment. AI is incredible at following rules and patterns, but the real world is messy. It is full of nuance, contradictions, and gray areas. An AI can analyze a legal contract in seconds, but it cannot look into the eyes of a client, sense their hesitation, understand the unspoken family history behind the deal, and know when to break the standard protocol to save the relationship. AI has data. You have wisdom. Wisdom is knowing when the data is wrong.
In the future, we won't be paid for our answers. Answers are free now. We will be paid for our questions. We will be paid to look at the AI's output and say, this is technically correct, but morally wrong. Or, this is efficient, but it lacks soul. That judgment is irreplaceable.
Skill number 2, emotional resonance. AI can simulate empathy. It can say, I'm sorry you feel that way, but it cannot feel. It has no lived experience. It has never known pain or joy or loss.
When we consume art or listen to a leader or trust a therapist, we aren't just looking for information. We are looking for connection. We want to know that there is another consciousness on the other side of the line. A generic email written by AI feels empty. A messy, imperfect, heartfelt note written by a human feels real.
In a world flooded with synthetic content, human-made will become a luxury label. Your ability to make someone feel seen, heard, and understood is a superpower that no algorithm can touch. Don't hide your humanity to sound professional. Lean into it. Be vulnerable. Be real.
Skill number 3, creative taste. AI is a generator. It can create 1,000 images a minute, but it creates the average of everything it has ever seen. It creates mediocrity at scale.
You are the curator. You are the director. Your value is your taste. It is your ability to look at those 1,000 images and pick the one that matters. Taste comes from your unique life experience, your culture, your weird obsessions, your history. AI has data. You have a point of view. Don't ask AI to do the creative work. Ask AI to generate options and then use your human taste to elevate, refine, and curate. The future belongs to those with the best taste, not the fastest typing speed. The fear of being replaced is really a fear of being average. If you operate like a machine, yes, you will be replaced. But if you operate like a human with judgment, empathy, and taste, you are indispensable. The age of AI is actually the age of the human. It's time to step up.